In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the equipment that I use to create these videos and also the equipment that I use to stream live on YouTube, which, by the way, happens every single Tuesday. Would be good to see you there. Make sure that you're subscribed, and if you click the bell, you'll be notified when that stream happens. They're really good fun, even if I do say so myself. As well as sharing with you the equipment, I'm also going to be showing you the software that I use to edit my videos and the software that I use to stream. And I'm also going to be showing you how I put my thumbnails together. I'm putting this video together because I get quite a lot of questions around the equipment that I use and the thumbnails and all that stuff. So I thought I'll put it all in this video and hopefully you'll find it useful. So let's get started. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. So, you're probably on lockdown right now and you're thinking of things to do. And maybe one of those things is that you want to start creating some videos, maybe start up a YouTube channel, maybe put some stuff on Facebook. But you're a little bit stuck on what camera you need, or software you need, and all that kind of stuff. So, this video will hopefully help you out. It's just basically the stuff that I use, and I'm no expert when it comes to creating videos. I mean, look at some of my earlier videos, they're absolutely terrible. But, you know, I have learnt a few things from doing these videos for the last few years. Man, has it been that long? I think it has. I've been on YouTube for a few years. So, yeah, I'm just going to share with you what I know, what I've got, and what I do. So, in order to do that, I'm going to switch over to the old iPhone, just so that I can pan around the office and show you what I've got. So, let's do an edit. Okay, so here we go. We're now looking at the camera as I see it when I'm recording, and the camera is a Canon 80D. I've had it for a little while. Before I had this camera, I had the 70D, which is pretty much the same. I think there's a few extra features on here that I don't really use. But yeah, I broke the 70D, a bit of memory card snapped off and got stuck in the slot, and I need to get it fixed basically. But yeah, the 80D is great. And the lens I'm using is this one, which, let's see if we can get a bit of a close-up there, kind of. Yeah, it's a Sigma 18-35mm, and yeah, whatever that means. I really like it because it gives a nice depth of field. It makes the background all blurry and all that stuff, even in an office as small as this. By the way, I'm going to put a link up now in a card, and also you'll find a link in the description. That link will take you through to a blog post on wpeagle.com where I've listed off all the equipment, and it's got links to Amazon and all that stuff. Of course, the links will be affiliate links, so if you do happen to click through and buy a camera or whatever, I will earn a commission, so thank you very much. Anyway, let's carry on. Above, I have a light. Now, this is my old light. It works pretty well. I used it for ages. It's nice and compact. It's powered off the mains, which is good. I don't like battery lights, really. And yeah, it gives a good brightness. However, I have recently upgraded to this light, which is an Elgato or Elgato. I don't really know how to pronounce that word. Like many other words, I don't know how to pronounce. And it's an Elgato key light, and it's really, really cool. It comes with this stand thing that I've got hooked onto my very untidy shelves. And yeah, I really like it. It's got loads of settings, so you can control it from your computer or from your Stream Deck, which I'll be getting onto in a minute. And yeah, you can set the color brightness, or sorry, the light brightness and the color warmth and all that stuff. So yeah, I love this light. It's actually made my videos look a whole lot better, I think, personally. So yeah, that's the camera and the lights. In terms of the mic that I'm running at the moment, it's this one, which is plugged in here. It's a, if we follow it down, whoop. Oh, I don't know if you can quite see that. Can you see that? Oh, look at the camera work here, and look at that lovely WP Eagle t-shirt. Yeah, it's a, I don't know if it's very hard to film this. It's a Rode, which make good mics. A Rode Lavalier light, Lavalier mic even. I don't know why I said light, because I'm looking at the light. Lavalier mic. I like it because I did have some shotgun mics up on the camera, but they were picking up the lens focusing noise, so that was annoying me. So that's why I use a lapel mic now. Okay, panning around, try and ignore some of the mess. I know I need to tidy the office. Up here, that's the camera I use to stream. It's a Logitech Brio. It's pretty good quality and all that stuff, but I'm going to try and stream using the Canon at some point. Just need to work out what I need to do that. That's my laptop. It's a MacBook Pro. It's the one before they put that silly bar on it. And it's got all the ports and stuff. Really nice. And yeah, good. That's about that. And that is my other computer, which is the iMac Pro, which is very expensive, but really good for editing and all that kind of stuff. It's got a Xeon 8-core processor and it's got 32 gig of RAM, which I probably should have bought more when I ordered it, but hey, a bit late now. It's really hard to upgrade the RAM on Macs, as you know. But yeah, it's really good. But yeah, it comes in at like £4,000 or I don't know, $5,000, something like that. Very, 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 very expensive. And you could probably get similar performance out of a normal iMac, if I'm honest. And what else have we got? Got my LED strip lights that are stuck onto the bottom of the shelf. You can get them from Amazon. And they plug into a USB and they can go all different colours. You get a little remote. You're going to go orange, yellow, green is very fun, very fun. I like blue. So that's that. What else have we got? We've got some microphones here. So this is the Blue Snowball Ice, which is really nice budget sort of microphone. I think it comes in around £60, something like that, or I don't know, $60, something like that. I use it generally when I'm streaming. I have it sitting on the desk and it's pretty good. For my videos, I tend to use this one, which is let's move this pop guard out of the way. This is a Yeti Pro, again by Blue. This one comes in at like £250, so what's that, nearly $300. It's supposed to have a much better sound. It's got a lot more settings, and you can hang it off this boom arm thing, or boom arm, which is the Blue arm. I don't know if it's still available. If I can't find it, I'll put a link to something similar in the post. There's some pictures of me as a small child as well, and the kids up there too. So what else have we got? Here we got the Stream Deck. Now this is what I use to control all the stream stuff. So play the sounds, switch between scenes. Really cool, works really good with the streaming software, which I'm going to show you in a minute. You can also control the light. So, you know, if I want to make it brighter in here, press that, it gets a bit brighter, controls the key light up there. That's really bright, make it a bit dimmer. And the color temperatures and all that. It's got some other useful things like telling me how many people are watching during the stream. And I love the Stream Deck. You can basically have buttons for anything you want, really. Really cool. And has made my streams slightly more professional, although they are still far from anything that resembles a professional stream. So, yeah, I think that's about it. Have I covered everything? We've got the iMac, we've got the microphones, we've got the Stream Deck. What I'll do now is let's jump on to the computer here, and I'll show you the software that I use to edit my videos and the software I use to stream. And I'll also show you how I create the thumbnails like these ones. So let's do that. Okay, so the main bit of software that I use to record and edit and all that stuff is ScreenFlow, which is only available for Mac, I believe, which is a little bit unfortunate. However, there is a equivalent bit of software called Camtasia, which is available for PC, which I think is very similar, although I've not used Camtasia, so don't quote me on that. The thing I love about ScreenFlow is it's really easy for someone like me to edit. You can just like drag bits of video about. If you overlap them, it adds the transitions. And yeah, you can just kind of layer stuff up really easily. So yeah, that's what I use. It's also got some great features when it comes to actually recording your screen. So yeah, I'm recording obviously right now, and it just makes it really easy. You just click record, and then you can, in the edit, you can add like the call outs. So that makes, you know, the pointer bigger, or you can add text, or annotations, whatever you like. So yeah, I love ScreenFlow. I've been using it pretty much since I started video editing, and I've like taught myself it, self-taught. Really easy to pick up, really easy to work with. I have tried other bits of software like Premiere Pro, After Effects, those things. They just seem quite hard, and I've never really got my head around them. I'm sure I could learn them if I just gave them a bit of time, but this is so easy. It does everything I need. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on using ScreenFlow. A lot of people ask me how I create my thumbnails. So let me show you exactly the process I go through. First off, I get a picture of my face, because generally there's a picture of my face on most thumbnails. I heard it was a good thing at some point that having faces on thumbnails gets more clicks. So that's why I always have my face. So I get a picture of my face like, I don't know, like this one. And then I need to remove the background. So I use that free tool, which is remove.bg. Yep, get this, and just drag it onto there like that. And it removes my background and download. It's a free tool, you don't have to pay for it, and it works fine. So yeah, download that with the background removed. Let's have a look at it. There it is. And then what I do is I add it to Photoshop. Now I know a lot of people don't like Photoshop, but I kind of find that you have to have it. I'm sure there's equivalent packages that are cheaper and maybe even for free, but Photoshop is just useful to have. And believe me, I'm no Photoshop wizard. I just get by. So yeah, I drop the background removed image. And then what I do is I make the canvas just a little bit bigger, so I've got some room to play with. Like that. And then I just go to layer style, and I add a bit of stroke, which is the white line around my face, like that. Also, you can adjust the size and all that if you want to. I then add a little drop shadow like that, which is fine. Save it as a PNG. My head with shadow, or call it something useful. I then use the other free bit of software that I'm always going on about, which is Canva. And well, I've already got these obviously done that I've done before, so I just copy a previous one. But you could just go to YouTube thumbnail like this, choose what you like. But generally, all I do is get a background. There's loads of backgrounds in Canvas, so something nice and colourful is generally good, like that. I then get my face without the background, which is here. Just drag that on, which is the one I just did in Photoshop. Make it big. Then add some text. Can't remember exactly the fonts and things I'm using, but I don't think it really matters. Just a heading is fine. Get a heading. And then you can just, well, it's like Word or whatever, you can choose your font. Where's Growbold? I love Growbold. Is it Growbold? Maybe not. Good. There is no Growbold, which is my favourite font, but I guess I must have it on Photoshop. Let's go for Gorilla. That's fine. Make it a bit bigger. I want it left. There's way too much line space there, so let's just put that down to 1. This is my latest video. Still got too much line height. Drop that, make this box a bit bigger. That's it. And then obviously you can drop other elements and stuff on. I often bring in an emoji or something like that, which I just get off Google. Drop it into Photoshop again, add the stroke, add the shadow. Looking good. And yeah, that's all there is to it really. I add 2 of me, look. Oh, not like that. So yeah, that's the thumbnails. Then obviously you just download it as a PNG. Upload it to YouTube. So I think that's about it. Oh, in terms of software for streaming, maybe I should just touch on that. I use Ecamm Live, which I've only just recently switched to. Works really well with the Stream Deck that I showed you earlier, and it wants to update. Let's do that. It's here. Yeah, really good. Really easy to use. You drop your elements on. You can easily switch between different cameras. You can bring Skype guests in. When I'm actually streaming, it allows me to drop in the comments that come up through YouTube. So yeah, really love Ecamm Live. Only been running it a couple of weeks, and I think I've just about got my head around it. I was using OBS before, which was pretty good too. And yeah, I've realised that you're kind of looking at the back of my head while I'm talking. So yeah, Ecamm Live, really good. So that brings the end of this video. Hope you found it interesting, taking a look around my very, very small office. Do you currently have any equipment that you're using to stream, or are you thinking of investing in anything? I'd love to hear from you. Why not leave me a comment below this video? I do read all the comments that I get, and I'll try to reply to as many as I possibly can. If you're not already subscribed, you can do so by clicking on my face. Why not check out the vlog channel, click on my other face, and here are a couple more videos. They've been chosen specially for you, so I hope you enjoy them. Till next time, bye for now.